How to check for restrictions on iPhone. Start on the home screen and open the Settings app. In the list, tap on Screen Time. The Screen Time page opens with usage info and controls. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top, check the switch to see if restrictions are enabled. Tap on Allowed Apps to see which built-in apps are permitted. Look through the list, note any apps turned off, then go back. Tap on Content Restrictions to view limits for ratings, web, and media. Browse the categories to see what is limited, then go back. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases to check installing, deleting, and in-app purchases. Review the settings here, then return to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is off, it means no restrictions are applied. Following these steps, you can easily check for restrictions on iPhone.